Remember when I told you no matter where.
Guys, my name is Shasha.
I'm Shakira.
I'm Marha. I'm Uswatuna Sana.
Hello, my name is Faiz Solehi.
Go!
Never let you go. Couldn't run away if I.
The objective of this task is to learn the dietary needs of animal, including poultry, ruminant, and non-ruminant, especially for their growth and maintenance of the body. And the second one is to learn the biotechnology concept that used in the feed preparation, such as probiotic, cellulose preparation, and also feed processing at UNISZA farm. And the last one is to identify the agricultural byproduct and waste used in UNISZA farm and its formulation.
You will never be alone, even when we go through changes, even when we're old.
So for this, for my subject, animal feed technology, I want you to ask question regarding the objective that I mentioned in the guideline.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pertama sekali saya bersyukur dan sekali lagi kita dapat
carbohydrate, ada protein, ada fat, ada mineral, ada.
Is it ruminant good for cattle?
Cattle and cow, yeah, cattle and sheep, goat.
아무리 막아도 결국 너의 곁인 걸. 결국엔 여행을 끝내 이젠 돌아가.
Tambah bapa saya.
I won't never learn as long as you're there.
pasaran.
Guna balik.
Kita guna balik.
Guna fertilizer.
Kita makan
balik apa di dalam.
Yes.
Kita guna untuk nutrien lah, untuk nutrien pupuk kan. Kita rolling gitu lah.
During our trip to UNISZA, we have identified the agricultural byproduct, which is the Nephir and Hemidicola, which they use to give feed to the goats. Cow and the goats, they produce the dungs, and they take the dungs and takes about 3 months to use it as a fertilizer, to use it as for the Nephir and Hemidicola.
I told you no matter where I go, I'll never leave your side. You will never be alone, even when we go through changes, even when we're old. Remember that I told you I found my way back home. I could never let you go.
They use the TMR machine to use, and they use their own formulation for the feed there, which the TMR machine can add up to 1 ton at a time to use to produce the feed.
Even though TMR have many benefits, it also have disadvantage. First of all, it may highly in cost. Then secondly, it will not produce the optimal result to other animal with same breed. The component in the TMR is grass like Hemidicola, pellet, and sulfur.
Remember that I told you I found my way back home.
Cage goat, this is dog bird. This is Sunny, male Sunny, yeah. I heard It is import from Australia. Oh, this is British.
이름을 속에 널 가둔 쇠사람 그만
Kasih kepada pelawat daripada UNISZA ya.
Ya, yang
Saya Hasrul Azwan, pemegang veterinar. Kandang ni. Dalam kat sini kita gunakan and carry, maknanya kita potong rumput and bagi dekat sini so dia tak lepas bebas. Jadi dia kita boleh buat 6 bulan sekali. Tapi kalau kita lepas ternakan yang kita lepas, kita akan buat 3 bulan sekali. Untuk ubat cacing. Untuk vaksin kita buat setahun sekali. Untuk Australia.
I won't ever lose as long as you're there.
Hi, so this is the goat cage. This goat cage is for PNP purpose. Finally student will come here for their study and for uterus synchronization. The goat that had been synchronized had labeled with the red spray, and they eat napier and pellet for their daily feed.
Remember that I told you I found my way back home. Even when we go through changes, even when we're old. Remember that I told you I found my way back home.
Okay guys, we have the mineral blocks for feed for goats. These mineral blocks can increase their appetite and also their health. Pig will consume this mineral block when they want.
From the start, you just say the word and I go. No, it doesn't matter how far, 'cause your love is all that I know. Baby, you just stay where you are, and you know I won't be too long. Hold on, hold on. Remember when I told you no matter where I go, I'll never leave your side, you will never be alone. Even when we go through changes, even when we're old. Remember that I told you I found my way back home.